Everyone says, if you want to speak English, start thinking in English and speak at least 5 minutes daily. But the biggest problem is, we often don't know what to say, and slowly we drop the idea. But not this time, because we are starting a 30-day self-speaking English challenge. Every day, we'll bring you a common, relatable situation that you can talk about in English. After listening to these videos daily, you'll never run out of ideas to practice. And if you have other doubts, don't worry, we've already covered the most common problems people face while speaking English in our challenge series, with easy solutions. These solutions are simple, not visually fancy, but genuinely informative and confidence boosting. So, without further delay, let's begin with day 1 of our English self-speaking challenge. Day 1, when I comb my hair. Every morning, I walk to the mirror and pick up my comb. My hair is usually tangled from sleeping, so I start slowly, working through the knots carefully so it doesn't break. Some strands stick to my fingers, some fall on my shirt, and sometimes I notice a little dust or hair tie still stuck in there. I like to start from the bottom, because if I try to do the top first, it just pulls and hurts. Slowly, I go section by section. My hair feels soft in some areas and a little rough in others, but I just keep going. While combing, I sometimes notice how my scalp feels. It's kind of a small, quiet moment to check if it's dry, oily, or itchy. If it's a little dry, I sometimes rub a tiny bit of serum or oil into the ends so they feel smoother. I don't put too much because I don't want it to look greasy. As I continue, I pull out any loose hair that landed on my shoulders or on my shirt. I notice little things, like a split end or a strand that's gone gray, and I make a mental note to trim it later. Combing can be a little repetitive, but it's kind of relaxing, like a small routine I do for myself every day. Sometimes, while combing, I remember things I need to do, like breakfast, work, or shopping. My mind wanders a bit, but my hands keep going. I make sure to check the back and sides too, not just the front. After a few minutes, my hair starts looking neater and shinier. I smooth it down with my hands and make sure there are no stray strands sticking out. I might adjust the parting slightly to make it look balanced. By now, I feel more organized, like the first small thing of the day is done. Finally, I take one last look in the mirror. My hair is combed, neat, and shiny. I feel a little more confident and ready to face the day. Even though it's just a simple routine, this small act makes me feel more prepared, calm, and a bit more awake.